him now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Wait for it.
Can I turn on the hall light?
What?
I think it'd be safe to turn on the hall light.
Here. How's that one?
Not really any better.
So let's do this. Look at that, Russ. Want to see? Look, come here, look. Come here.
Rusty! That's cute.
This is what happens when a dog can't stand music.
I think he's playing with it.
Okay, let's see. Come here, you want to look? You want to look?
Don't you have the hamster dance on that one?
Shit, no I don't.
Stupid?
Oh, I forgot. It's like his ultimate, like, hate song. Here, wait. I know, I need to put the hamster dance on here. That is his ultimate run song. Not as worried about that song.
You had to play something high-end and fast-beaten.
Well now, we call this the act of mating. But there are several other
Maybe I need to put Crazy Frog on it.
Yes.
animals that you should know about.